Hello everyone, welcome in Study with Money session, and today our topic is what is jump server and why it is useful. So our topic is Azure networking, and the number is part 5. So now we need to understand why jump server is important. As the name is jump server means from the via that jump and to the server. So from the one, let's assume that this is our one virtual network, and in this virtual network we have three virtual machines, and the virtual network which have a two-sider range. One is 192.168.0.0/16, another is 10.0.0.0/16. So these three virtual machines are lying into the one virtual network, and this virtual machine have a public IP and it have a NIC. So as we know that via this public IP we can take the RDP from the outside device. But the rest of the devices it have no public IP. It is only associated inside the virtual network only, and they are lying under inside in a different subnet ranges. So now what is happening when a remote access take the remote access from uh, to the jump server, because it is lying under the public IP, and it is also remote access acceptable. After that, what is happened via this jump server, we are taking remote access to this particular device because both are into the same VNet, so it is also accessible. So what is happening when we are trying to connect from jump server to another virtual machine, and from this virtual machine we want to connect from this virtual machine. So that type of device or virtual machine is called the jump server, because we can navigate inside the network from one virtual machine to another virtual machine, and that type of virtual machine is called a jump server, which the only exceptional virtual machine can take access from outside, but the rest of the virtual machines, because they don't have RDP access because of the security issues, most of the organizations are not allowing RDP, and it is only allowed for particular particular virtual machine only. So that virtual machine is called the jump server. So I hope you understand that what is jump server and why it is useful. Jump server is a one of a special kind of virtual machine which only allow to take remote access from the outside, and we can navigate from one virtual machine to another virtual machine inside the virtual network. So I hope you enjoyed this jump server session. Thank you to everyone.